Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, Nikhil, how are you?
Yes, ma'am, I'm fine. How are you,
Yeah,
ma'am?
first of all, congratulations for your placement.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, myself, Neenu. I am from Quality Department. I just want to take a feedback from your side. Give an introduction about yourself, Nikhil.
Yes, ma'am. Myself, Nikhil Dilip Pingale. I am basically from Maharashtra, Pune, but last 10 years I am staying in Bangalore only. So I completed SLC, PUC, and engineering in Bangalore, engineering Rajashri College of Engineering, and now currently I have finished a CACM course in Construction Management Institute, CMTI, and now I got placed in a very good company, ma'am.
Yeah, how do you come to know about CMTI, Nikhil?
Yes, ma'am. One of the professor referred me about same time when I searching for internship. They referred about me. So after internship, I also come to know there is a CSM course which is very useful. So I joined CSM course, ma'am.
Okay. So you have pursued the certified course of Advanced Construction Management. What
Yes,
are the
ma'am.
things you have learned in it? You can brief and tell me, Nikhil.
We study in college that only 20% we can gain on the knowledge there. About other 80% you have to learn in field or field. So when I come to CMTI, so they taught me about quantity survey, quality control, quality assurance, how to read the drawings, and like also the checklist. There weekly twice we went visited the interiors site visit, and also construction site visit, and also high rise buildings. Also they taught about site marking and layout marking, and they taught about some softwares like AutoCAD, SketchUp, uh, and MS project.
So you went for the site visit all, no? How was your
Yes, ma'am.
site experience? So apart
Yes,
from
ma'am.
your college study, this would have been different, right? We would have been learning
Yes, ma'am.
theoretical things.
In college we learned only theory, but when we went site, they taught everything by showing that this one is the how they lap the bar. This is the lap position for beam, or this is the lap position for column, and everything they show that this is the size of the beam column for every material and every structure of the building. They show very accurately, and they also explain the uh, how to place the cover concrete covers. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how did you crack the interview? How many rounds were there?
Yes, ma'am. First round is like introduction, basic questions. So, and second round is technical. So in that technical round, they ask about everything related interviews, and about every quantity survey. So like that.
Yeah. So how was our CMTI trainers? How comfortable you was with the trainers?
Yes, ma'am. So, like Natarajan sir, I know from last 1 year, he taught very nicely, and if you have any doubt, he explains very nicely. And also the Ram sir, he taught AutoCAD, and SS sir, yes, SS sir, he taught very well quantity survey and BBS, and also Ashok sir give the motivations and soft skills. Ashok sir taught means every teachers they have given their best, and they taught very well, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. So you have used our CMTI app, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah. So how comfortable and how much do you like CMTI app?
Yes, ma'am. I personally use the CMTI. There means there are so many there are for every videos they have uploaded, every notes they have uploaded, like quality control, quantity survey, rate analysis, also the and material calculation, and quality assurance, and bargaining schedule, formwork of constructions. So everything they have, but there are many more videos. So I also watched so many courses I have taken and also completed. So in that courses they have very perfectly explained, and also the presentation was very nice. And every after every each video they have they have attached a PDF of that particular topic, ma'am. So yes, ma'am. App experience is very nice, ma'am.
Yeah. So how so comfortable was the CMTI staff? So entire coordination. So how did they guide you? How did they support you, Nikhil?
Yes, ma'am. They supported very well. When we come here same time, like we don't know that much. Also means we are not speaking that much. So they thought we have to speak more, because they taught how to crack the interviews, and also taught about soft skills, and also they means when we went to for a site visit, also the site marking, they came and taught this is how we have to mark, this is how we have to check the for every materials, and so every stuff done very well, man. They taught very well.
So would you like to refer CMTI to your friends, Nikhil?
Yes, ma'am. I definitely refer my friends to already almost my 3 to 4 friends already have completed the joined the CMT, and also in future I will definitely refer my friends.
Okay. Yeah. So what is Nikhil's final point of view? What do you want to tell to you who want to pursue CACM course? Okay. Otherwise, for your juniors, what do you want to tell Nikhil?
Yes, ma'am. CSM courses they have uh, means they have created like what industry now at present they want. So as per industry requirement, they have designed the CSM course. Yes, definitely means when we came out of the college, we don't have that much knowledge. So I think everyone should come and visit CMTI. So you will learn so many things in CSM course. You will when you finish the course, you will means perfectly professional trained engineer you will become.
Thank you so much, Nikhil, for the wonderful feedback. All the best for your career. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.